What's today? What's today's date?
13th?
Why are they doing all these fireworks on April 13th? Makes no damn sense.
What?
This has been going on for the past 15 minutes.
Well, I think it's done. Recorded at the end.
Yeah, but still.
That was the grand finale.
Okay, you guys are watching it too?
Yeah, but why are they doing this on April 15th?
Oh, because they're bored. You know?
Did you record that?
Well, you're always burping on all my videos, man. That's why I can't upload none of them.
Yeah, you can't upload them because you get me naked.
Baby, there's no more. That's it.